Welcome to the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program Post-Payment Audit Education Series. The topic for this tutorial is submitting documentation. This tutorial serves as a guide for eligible hospitals and eligible professionals participating in the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program who are preparing for an audit of their Adopt, Implement, or Upgrade AIU or Meaningful Use MU activity. The intended audience includes providers, designated representatives, office administrators, vendors, and any individuals assisting in the audit process. This tutorial will discuss submitting documentation to the assigned auditor and navigating OMIG's HIPAA-compliant Dropbox Hightail. You can pause, rewind, and fast forward as needed. Keep in mind as you view the tutorials in this education series, the Office of the Medicaid Inspector General, or OMIG, is the organization that oversees post-payment audits for the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program. The Department of Health, or DOH, is the organization that administers the prepayment process. The two entities are independent of each other. OMIG auditors may ask for additional documentation that is not asked for in prepayment. Let's begin. Providers must submit documentation in a HIPAA-compliant method. The preferred way is to upload the documents to Hightail, the OMIG online Dropbox. Hightail ensures HIPAA compliance by securely delivering protected health information, PHI, directly to the auditor assigned to the provider's audit. Hightail is also simple to use. You can drag and drop your files, and there's no need to register or create an account. The link to Hightail can be found in both the audit notification email and audit notification letter. To submit documentation via Hightail, click on the link found in the Submit All Documentation section of the audit notification email. You can also copy and paste or type the web address into your internet browser of choice. Hightail will send all documents directly to the OMIG auditor assigned to the provider's audit. Once you open the Hightail link, you'll be brought to the auditor's Hightail homepage. From this page, you can either drag and drop files into the window, or select Add More Files to browse for files to upload. Please try to label the documents to reference the criteria the auditor is requesting from you. In the box on the top left, below the word From, enter the provider's name and the provider's email address. In the box under the word Message, you can enter an optional message explaining any documents that you're including. The box on the right will show the titles of all the documents you have attached. If you'd like to add more documents, click the Add More Files option. Once you've completed this screen, click the Upload button. A screen will appear confirming that the documents were delivered to the auditor assigned to the provider's audit. Hightail will send a confirmation email to the provider's email address. You can either click Send More Files or close the browser. While Hightail is the preferred method to submit information, if you're unable to use this method, it is acceptable to mail documents via the U.S. Postal Service directly to the assigned auditor. Load your documents on a CD or other secure device and send them to Office of the Medicaid Inspector General, Attention, the auditor's name, 800 North Pearl Street, Albany, New York, 12204. Hightail is preferred over sending documents via the U.S. Postal System, as the audit time is much quicker when documents are sent electronically. Additionally, you will have a record of what was sent and faster confirmation that the documentation is sufficient, or if more documentation is needed. Once you receive the audit notification letter and audit notification email, you will have direct access to the assigned auditor's Hightail page to begin uploading documents. You can upload them as they are available rather than waiting to send them all together in one submission. It is recommended to send any documentation as soon as it's available to expedite the audit process. Congratulations, you've completed the EHR Incentive Program Post-Payment Audit Education Series tutorial, Submitting Documentation. If you have additional questions about your audit, please contact the assigned auditor. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. You can view additional educational resources by visiting health.ny.gov/EHR.